What is going on, everyone? Anthony Drew Gary here, and it is Father's Day weekend, and I get to do something really fun, and that's recreate the video that I made a couple of years ago of how to count to 10. This is Madeline, and we get the opportunity to count to 10 all the time, too. So, if you're ready, oh, hi. We're going to count to 10. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 10. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you don't like it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 10. Thank you. That's all the educational content for this week. Admittedly, making these ones for myself so that we can look back and have some fun with them. Until next time, take care.